Property access issues.
One level, and then we're going to come out through the foyer to the main set of elevators and go up to level 10.
We launch our online store and we welcome Eva to the team.
I moved from Cairns,
Yep.
but I'm originally from Slovakia.
This is Foxy TV, episode 80. Bit of a shorter episode this week as we've been super busy getting the online store up and running. Yes, it's finally here. If you want to check it out, the link will be in the description below, or maybe I'll put it around here somewhere. It is foxyhome.store. We're starting out with our favorite pieces of artwork and rugs, and we will be slowly adding more and more products as we go. But yes, as I mentioned, the link will be in the description of the video you're watching, or if you're on Instagram, just go to our Instagram profile. Moving on to an install we had on Wednesday this week, we drove right by the city to the suburb of Toowong. So Jake, you're in the truck today?
I am, yeah.
And where are we headed?
We've got an install in Toowong, apartment building, with a spiral staircase, make things interesting. And then we've got one pack up, which is in Adelaide.
So Jake, how's access at this place to be in?
It's not great. It's well, we've got the loading dock, which is good, so we're backed up right in there with the truck, but we've got the goods and services lift here, which just comes up one level, and then we're going to come out through the foyer to the main set of elevators and go up to level 10, so two different elevators, which makes things a bit slow.
So where are we today? How's it all going?
Good. We're in Toowong. So we're doing a nice penthouse. We're on the top floor. It's a double-story, 3-bedroom unit, but it's got this beautiful rooftop deck, which is amazing. So we've got the jacuzzi, which not many apartments in Brisbane have on your rooftop, which is very, very cool. And yeah, this beautiful entertaining area that looks over the river, and you've got the city in the background. So we're boys about to head off, but most of the furniture's up and doing the final touches.
We're going to finish this week's episode by introducing our newest team member. Eva, welcome to the team.
Thank you.
So your name is Eva, and whereabouts have you moved from?
I moved from Cairns,
Yep.
but I'm originally from Slovakia.
I was going to say that accent isn't from Cairns.
Yeah. I
And
haven't quite picked up the Aussie one as yet.
a random fact about you that I learned yesterday is that when you were 9 years of age, what did you achieve?
I was a table tennis champion of Slovakia.
That's pretty impressive. Eva, what will you be doing here at Foxy Home Staging?
So I'll be doing predominantly content writing, and I'll be helping out the girls with styling, putting things away,
Yep.
and lots of marketing.
Cool.
So yeah, I'm excited.
If you could have a superpower, what would it be?
Invisibility
Yep. What is your driving ability out of 10?
in Brisbane, it's a strong 5.
Your favourite movie?
Favorite movie? Oh, it would definitely have to be some kind of Disney or
Okay.
Pixar movie.
Yeah. Any come to mind?
Inside Out?
Oh yeah.
Is that what
Yeah.
it's called?
You should probably know the title of your favourite.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
No, I
put
didn't
me
know
on the
that one.
spot.
No, that's okay. Tea or coffee? What do you prefer?
Coffee all
Coffee.
the way.
Do you prefer cats or dogs?
Dogs.
Dogs. Beer or wine?
Wine.
And last question: pineapple on pizza? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay.
Definite yes.
Well, thanks Eva, and welcome to the team.
Thank you.
And that's it for episode 80 of Foxy TV. I hope you've enjoyed it. A reminder that our online store is now up. Yeah, thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you back here next week.